Hey everyone! Welcome to a new kind of video for my channel. I have been very into 3D printing lately. I got this Ender 3 version around 2 years ago, and mostly just printed knickknacks and articulated animals with it. At some point my nozzle got a clog in it, and in trying to remove the nozzle, I accidentally damaged the entire extruder to the point that I needed a new one. After a lot of delays, I finally got this baby all up and running with a new Sprite Pro extruder from Creality, professional firmware by AM, our ISCOC on GitHub, and Octoprint, so I can record time lapses of my prints. At this point, my printer was still kind of dusty from sitting on a shelf waiting for a new extruder, and I needed to get that taken care of. So I printed some V-slot covers to insert inside of the grooves of the chassis to prevent dust from building up in there after I cleaned them. I think they came out pretty nice even though there was a bit of stringing, and one of the covers didn't come out at all. After the covers were done, I decided to test something else pretty flat, so I found this cat kit card on printables.com. It turned out, well, okay, but something was amiss, so I went deep diving through subreddits and perusing through 3D printing articles to find out what was wrong. At one point between printing the kit card and troubleshooting, my Raspberry Pi started overheating. After manually retramming the bed, building the mesh for the UBL or Unified Bed Leveler, adjusting my Z offset, and plugging in a small desk fan to keep the Raspberry Pi cool, I printed this little stand to keep the Pi from laying directly on my table. The stand has a bit of stringing, and the case I have for my Pi is a bit too small, but hey, it keeps it off the table, so I am happy with it. I could always print the case associated with the stand, and move my Pi into the new case at some point for a more snug fit. Next, I wanted a stand for my headphones, so I printed one of those too. Overall, I think it came out good enough for sitting on my desk, though I should not have used the brim feature as it was quite difficult to remove some of the edges. Thank you so much for watching. I think doing this is so much fun, so if you have any suggestions for something interesting to print, leave me a comment below and check the description for links to all the prints that I used in this video.